last went on a trip and I vlogged. Since school started, I've been pretty busy. So this trip is very much needed. We are in Coron, Palawan for our semestral break. We'll be here for 4 days and we're staying in Soleil Garden Resort. We flew in from Clark with Sunlight Air and the flight was 1 hour. For today, our plan is to have late lunch at Trattoria Altrave. And then we'll take a nap, we'll hear mass, and then we'll retire early because tomorrow we will go on a tour. We just finished lunch. We're looking for Epic Island coffee for dessert. Just walking around town. The beans are brewed with brown sugar, muscovado sugar. Although we added milk to this, so I think if we didn't put milk, it would be much stronger. Hello, we are back in the resort. It's been a very humid day and today we just went around town. Originally, the Coron town tours offered by the different travel agencies include Makinit Hot Springs, which we decided not to take since it's about 30 minutes away from the town by tricycle, and then it also includes the Mount Tapias, where you will have to climb 700 steps before reaching the view deck. And with my current physical state, my outfit, my shoes, and my altophobia, that is not happening. 700 steps will not be happening for me. It's currently 6:30ish. We came from mass. Actually, before going to mass, we went to the souvenir shop and then got some cashews and some pasalubongs. The cashews are a well-known product of Coron. Now we will have a night swim, so let's go out. Today is a tour day. We just finished breakfast in our resort, and then in a few minutes we'll be heading out to the meeting point. The first thing in our itinerary is Calauit Island, so we'll visit the famous Calauit Safari Park, and then after we'll do a little island tour of Black Island. From what I researched, it's a beach with some rock formations, and then there's also a cave. So that's the plan today.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 난 지켜내려 해. 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해? Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. 쏟아지는 말 이미 어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나만의 beliefs. 차가운보다 그득하니 앉아 내 마음속에 새겨둔 작은 위로를 더 꺼내야 하나. 우울함의 파도를 가라앉혀. But when you feel like giving up, remember, keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. Nobody knows. Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? 지켜내려 해. 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해? Keep walking your way, don't look back.
rider man. Mahal na bahal sa kanya.
It's 6:38 already. The ride back home was about an hour and the tour was fun. We went to Black Island and then we just spent some time in the cave. Some people swam there, but I chose not to because it was cold. Then we went a bit snorkeling in the beach. Since there's a huge drop, so a few feet from the shore, you can already see the shipwreck. So now we're at Omstai. We ordered quite a lot, but we are hungry. So I'm excited for the food.